These young kids will be sort of like service providers or subcontractors that are going to be trained first to know how to run a small business, focusing on the last mile delivery, be given the training in order for them to have the skills and the expertise to deal with their clients. So it is targeting 1,200 young unemployed South Africans in Gauteng, and it is a program that will go a long way to make those 1,200 young people who would currently be unemployed to actually get into the economy and be part of those people that are providing a service in the transport and logistics sector. You might ask why last mile delivery. It has been an industry that has really gone up because we do online ordering these days. You could be doing online ordering for your groceries. It could be that you're getting your medicine through an online option. It could be even clothing and many other things that we need, goods that we need from the service providers that sell the goods that South Africans are starting to do a lot of online.